Hello, Jess. Here I am. I'm gonna go over some little review stuff. I think you know how to do this. It's just that I'll go over it just in case you don't know. So we want z is less than negative 2.46. The probability that this is less than that. So we draw our little shit of a goober. We do that. Negative 2 is like over here-ish. I don't fucking know. We fill that in, and we want to find this area, this probability. Okay? So we go on our z table. I think you know how to do this. Go down to negative 2.4 and go all the way to 0.6. And we get 0.0069. Nice. However, this is a bit different. So now we want the probability of z being greater than 2.46. Alright? So here's 2.46 again. No, 2.46 is here. My bad. Positive 2.46, so that's how it'll be here. And we want greater than, so instead of filling in the left, we fill in the right. Thing is, though, that our table only gives us data for it being shaded on the right. On the left, I mean. And I think you know this. I mean, come on. You're not a retard. You may be dumb, but you're not a retard. Okay? So you see how these are, like, kind of the same, but they're kind of different. So what you need to do, though, then is get the area for this bad boy and subtract it by 1. So 1 minus area. Because the whole thing, the definition of a normal curve, hint that will probably be on the test, is that everything multiplies to 1, so that the area is 1. So we're going to do 1 minus z greater than, or less than 2.46, since this is what our table is giving us. So this is basically telling us this, everything less than that. So let's pretend that this is 20 and this is 80, all right? So 20 is greater than z, but we can't use the table to find that out. So we have to use the 80 instead. So we subtract the 80 from the 100 to get the 20. Hey, you texted me! You're okay, Jesse. You're doing a great job. Don't worry. You'll be fine. Just don't stress out about it. Okay? But I hope this makes sense. By doing this, we find the left side of it, but since we subtract 1, that'll give us this side. So that's going to be left over, which is what we want. If we subtract this from 1, we get this. Okay? And then when you get this, this is... When you go to the z table, 2.46 that way, you get 0.9931. Then you subtract that by 1 and you get this. So I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, feel free to ask me questions.